Welcome back to Auto Legends. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mack Pickup, a new contender in the pickup truck world that's set to turn heads. Mack, known for its heavy-duty trucks, has entered the pickup market with a truck that blends performance, style, and durability in a way we haven't seen before. The 2025 Mack Pickup is designed to cater to both work and play. It comes with a powerful 6.7-liter turbocharged diesel engine, providing ample towing power and performance for even the toughest jobs. With 1,500 pound-feet of torque, this truck can easily handle payloads and trailers, making it a solid choice for contractors or anyone who needs serious hauling capacity. The exterior of the 2025 Mack Pickup is bold and muscular, reflecting the brand's signature heavy-duty aesthetic. The front grille is wide, with sharp lines that exude strength and purpose. The rugged body is complemented by large, aggressive tires, which not only add to the truck's presence but are built to withstand rough terrains. Inside, the 2025 Mack Pickup continues to impress. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials and high-tech features. The dashboard is equipped with a large touchscreen, offering navigation, entertainment, and connectivity features. The interior is built to be durable but also comfortable, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where you're headed. Whether you're on a long highway journey or off-road, the truck's cabin is designed for both comfort and practicality. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mack Pickup is its advanced safety technology. It includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. These systems help make driving safer, especially for those who spend long hours on the road or frequently haul heavy loads. When it comes to towing, the Mack Pickup doesn't disappoint. With an estimated towing capacity of up to 14,000 pounds, it rivals some of the best trucks in its class. Whether you're towing a boat, trailer, or a camper, this truck will make the task easy and efficient. The truck also comes with a tow-haul mode, which optimizes the performance of the engine when towing heavy loads. Fuel efficiency is another area where Mack has focused on improving. While it's not as fuel efficient as smaller pickups, the Mack Pickup's diesel engine offers great mileage considering its power and capacity. It strikes a balance between performance and efficiency, making it a viable option for those who need power without constantly stopping for fuel. The 2025 Mack Pickup comes in several configurations, including a crew cab and extended cab, allowing buyers to choose the one that fits their needs best. Whether you're using it for work or leisure, there's a version that will meet your demands. In conclusion, the 2025 Mack Pickup brings something unique to the table. With its rugged good looks, immense power, and advanced technology, it's a truck that's built for both work and play. If you need a vehicle that can handle heavy lifting without sacrificing comfort or performance, the Mack Pickup is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching.